Hey guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and this video is for all of you out there that are struggling to keep your glass clean or to clean it without having any streaks. Today we're going to talk about the all-new Microfiber Madness Vitria. Alright guys, so for those of you that are not familiar with Microfiber Madness, this is a brand out of Germany that has redefined microfiber towels and tools over the past decade plus. So today we're going to talk all about their Vitria towel, but before that we want to give you a little bit of history on their previous glass cleaning towel. That was the Cloud Buster, and the Cloud Buster was a traditional waffle weave pattern, but a lot softer and a little bit tighter knit. So it's always been our favorite when it comes to glass cleaning towels. Now that we've tried the Vitria, we can say that changed. They decided that there was room for improvement in glass cleaning technology, and they've actually come out with this new pattern. It's a 75-25 blend, it's a 340 GSM towel, and it's of course 16 by 16, which is our favorite size. It's got these nice rounded edges, and the magic is not necessarily, you hear a lot about GSM and blend and all that, but that's really not the full story of a microfiber towel. And experts over at Microfiber Madness, they knew they had something magical with this towel due to that weave. The weave is an interlocking weave that actually grabs the dirt, the dog drool, the sweat, the lotion, whatever it is that you've got on your glass. It grabs it, pulls it in, and locks it in there without smearing it, is the best I could describe it. You really have to see it in action for yourselves, and we're going to do that here shortly. As far as the Cloud Buster towel, we're going to continue to offer this towel. It's a great towel. It's just dropped slightly in price, and then the Vitria is coming in at the same price point that the Cloud Buster used to. So it's a win-win. So far we've got all 5-star reviews on the Vitria, and anybody that's buying it is coming back for more of them. We've already had to reorder twice, resupply our warehouse twice with them, and we're just really excited about the product. So without further ado, let's get to the demonstration. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and use the Vitria on the demonstration here, and I do want to make a note that we're actually using this on very hot glass. This is not something we would normally do, but we just thought it was so impressive that the Vitria actually works on hot glass that we're just going to go ahead and do that anyway for a worst case scenario. As I mentioned, usually I'm washing the exterior of the car and I'm not really even needing a glass cleaner on the exterior. I do that the glass cleaner on the interior only, but obviously it's very difficult to see on the interior of the vehicle, and so we're going to do the demonstration out here. Alright, so typically you want to either spray just a fine mist like that, or you can spray directly on the towel, and then you're going to take your Vitria and just like any other glass towel, keep it to a certain pattern. You can see even in the hot sun, even with just one quick wipe, there's literally no streaking. So that's really what I love about the Vitria most, is just how well it works and how easily you can clean your glass without any troubles. Now, just as best practice, you want to go ahead and flip your towel or take a second one and go over it one more time to make sure you get any streaks. And for that, I'll just do one quick mist on there and then finish in, like I said, a vertical pattern if you are somebody that's going to clean the exterior with your glass towel. Other tips, I would say go ahead and open the door when you're done. You want to get that top, the devil's in the details, and you want to make sure you get that top of the glass there that gets tucked in behind the seal. Finish with a nice wipe right there, and that's as easy as it is. Alright guys, so final thoughts. Vitria towel is absolutely fantastic for cleaning and drying the glass. It leaves 0 streaks, 100% safe on tint. It won't scratch any of the tinting out there, and even in the hot sun it shows off how well it works. So I hope you guys loved the video. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to leave those below. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care guys.